cannot understand your accent.
You don't understand my accent? Why? It's clear, I think.
Indian kasi
I'm not from India, I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. Bangladesh is the capital of India.
No,
Am
no.
I right?
Bangladesh capital name is Dhaka.
I Dhaka.
What you do for improve your English? You learn English?
I'm studying.
You studying in school, a
Of
college.
course, yeah.
That's good. Which class do you study?
I'm first year.
How old are you?
18.
18 years old. But you look like 16. Can you guess my age? How old I am?
27, I think.
Yes, I'm 27.
27?
Yeah. You guess right. Do you live with your
Wow.
family? So tell me, what is the reason why every Filipino girls are very beautiful?
I don't know.
I have some friend. They're from Philippines. One of them live in Mindanao.
Mindanao.
You
That's why you know how to speak Tagalog.
no,
It's like
I know only two sentences. Naku,
you want to
I'm
teach me to teach you more.
okay.
What do you want?
Uh, If I want
What do
to
you want something?
replay, how are you? I mean, I am fine. How are you?
If you want to reply,
Yeah, I want to reply. How are
uh,
you?
I'm not really a Tagalog. I mean, I'm a Filipino, but we have different language. Like,
Oh,
there is kan kasi,
you don't know how to
like,
speak Tagalog?
I know how to speak Tagalog, but I'm a Bisaya.
Okay. How many
Koan,
languages using
I
in
think
Filipino?
many languages.
Many
I can
languages.
only speak Tagalog and Bisaya. I can't understand
You can understand
sometimes.
only, but you can't speak fluently.
Yeah.
Okay. You can teach me anything in Tagalog if you want.
What?
Easy way. Easy and simple.
What? It's your thing. What do you want?
I am good. What is in Tagalog?
Isa kang mabuti.
Isa kang mabuti. It means I'm good.
Hmm.
You have boyfriend. So why are you smiling
No.
if you don't have? You all time
Kuya,
smiling.
I don't have a
I guess
boyfriend.
you have.
I don't have any. I don't have a boyfriend since birth. Promise. Yeah, promise. I don't have a boyfriend since birth.
Do you like watch movies?
Yeah,
Which kind of
but I don't
movie?
like Indian movies.
You really like Indian movies?
Get it? No, I like Indian movies. Nice, nice.
Can you tell me any name Indian movies?
I don't know what's the title. I, Three Idiots.
Oh, it's very famous. It's main actor is Amir Khan. It's my favorite also.
It's funny.
It's very funny.
It's comedy.
And you should watch PK. It's
And
also
then there's
PK.
also one I love in Indian movies. I forget the title.
Do you know the name of hero?
No.